The key to long-term success? To be far ahead of your time, and yet, at your core, to remain true to yourself. At Böttcher, we have been innovative by tradition for 300 years. Founded in 1725 as a leather tannery in Cologne. In 1878, the production of gelatin for printing began. By 1893, we were producing printing rollers made from gelatin. In 1933, Böttcher introduced rollers made of rubber for the very first time. And in 1973, the internationalization of the company began, with production facilities beyond Germany. Even today, we work with passion every single day to remain a global leader in innovation, while staying true to the values of a family business. Everything begins with the development of tailor-made materials for our customers. On a molecular level, we combine the properties that matter. Over 3,000 individual formulae are developed in our labs each year. Our central goal? To boost the productivity, quality, and sustainability of our customers through innovation. Whether rollers apply, distribute, redirect, emboss, or press, we develop the perfect coating for every application. With standardized production processes and cutting-edge machinery, we ensure the highest quality for machine operators and manufacturers alike. We increase production speeds, reduce downtime, and thus improve our customers' productivity. We provide premium solutions for a wide range of industries: encoded rollers and sleeves, cleaning and press room products, printing blankets and coating plates, rubber compounds and transfer belts, and escalator handrails. No matter how vast our portfolio may be, it all rests on one central promise. We work with commitment towards uncompromising quality. Rooted in the Rhineland, we now speak almost every language of the manufacturing world. From our central mixing plant in Germany, rubber flows to our 26 production sites. From there, our products reach 105 distribution centers. Active in 123 countries, we deliver top-tier service and quality worldwide, and yet just around the corner. As a family-owned business, we don't think in quarters. We think in generations. The people who work here are the essence of who we are. With expertise, passion, and dedication, we strive every day to continuously improve in every way. As a chemical company, we bear a special responsibility for the environment and for sustainability. With low consumption, long-lasting products, we reduce raw material and energy use from the very beginning, minimizing waste and actively shaping a more sustainable future. For 300 years, our customers' needs have been at the heart of everything we do. We increase their productivity, quality, and sustainability through uncompromising production standards, expert consultation, and personal service. The result? Long-lasting, trustful partnerships. Because the success of our customers is our success too.